Fence panels shifting because of frost heave can totally mess up your yard's look and stability, but there are easy ways to stop it from happening. Okay, so first off, you want to dig your fence post holes deeper than the frost line in your area. This means the ground below won't freeze and push your posts up. Next, pack some gravel at the bottom of the hole before you put the post in. It helps with drainage and keeps water from freezing right under your posts. When you set your posts, use concrete to hold them steady, but don't just pour it in all at once. Fill a bit, let it set, then add more to avoid shifting. Also, make sure the posts are straight when you put them in, or your whole fence will look crooked later. If you already have shifting panels, try resetting the posts with these deeper footings and better drainage. And if you want extra protection, using metal post anchors below frost line can add some serious stability. Finally, check your fence every year before winter hits and after snow melts to catch any early signs of movement. One of the biggest mistakes people make with fences and frost heave is not digging deep enough for the posts, which makes everything shift when the ground freezes. Fix that by checking local frost depth guides and going deeper than that. Another common issue is poor drainage around fence posts, water pools, and freezes, pushing posts up. You can fix this by adding gravel or crushed stone at the base for better drainage. Lastly, using cheap or weak materials can cause posts to break or bend under frost pressure, so go for pressure-treated wood or metal posts designed for outdoor use and frost conditions. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to projects like fencing. Plus, it's super helpful for contractors looking to get new work by connecting with people who need reliable pros nearby.